Beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. Okay, if you're new to this channel, you already know what to do, girl. Click on the subscribe button. Also like this video as well, because when you do, YouTube recommends it to a wide range of people and it really make me happy. Okay, yes, hopefully you've clicked on this video because you saw the thumbnail and you want to see or you want to listen to, that is your interest. So please endeavor to subscribe before leaving. In today's video, we're going to be learning whether in Igbo language. Okay, yes, I'm be looking this way because I have my notes made already. Yes, because making my note helps me to pick out the important things, which is going to help you. We're here to go straight to the point. We're here to deliver, give you things that it's important. Okay, not to be seen about it. So putting down something is actually very important. Yes, we're learning the weather in Igbo language today. Okay, it's gonna be fun. So weather in Igbo language is called iri igwe, iri igwe, iri igwe, iri igwe, iri igwe is called weather in Igbo language basically. And when the rain is falling, when there is rainfall is called mmiri ozuzo. Just rainfall is called mmiri ozuzo. Rainfall mmiri ozuzo. Rainfall mmiri ozuzo. Do you understand? Rainfall mmiri ozuzo. Then when rain is falling, you don't say mmiri na ezo. Mmiri na ezo. When the rain is falling, mmiri na ezo. Mmiri na ezo. Mmiri na ezo. Do you understand? And we have anyi. Anyi is sun. Anyi is sun. Sunshine. Anyi. Anyi is sun. When the sun is shining, you say anyi na-acha. When the sun is shining, you say anyi na-acha. Anyi na-acha. Anyi na-acha. Do you understand? And here again we have ikuku. Ikuku is wind. Ikuku is wind. You know, when the wind is blowing, you say ikuku na eku. Ikuku na eku. Ikuku na eku. When the wind is blowing, when there is heavy wind, you say nnukwu ikuku na eku. Nnukwu ikuku na eku. Remember one of my videos I said big is nnukwu, so we use it everywhere in whatever that is big. Nnukwu ikuku na eku. Nnukwu ikuku na eku. Do you understand? And when it's stormy, you say oke ifufe na amuma. You know, most times when it's stormy, it comes with oke ifufe and also some lightning. It might not be so like thunder, but you know, lightning, stormy. Oke ifufe na amuma. Oke ifufe na amuma. Oke ifufe na amuma na agba. Oke ifufe na amuma na agba. Oke ifufe na amuma na agba. It is stormy and lightning. Oke ifufe na amuma na agba. It is stormy and lightning. Do you understand? When it's snowy, when there is snow, when it snows, ibube oyi. Ibube oyi. Ibube oyi. When it's snowy, when there is snow, ibube oyi. When the snow is falling, you say ibube oyi na-ada. Ibube oyi na-ada. When it's snowy and the snow is falling, you say ibube oyi na-ada. Ibube oyi na-ada. Ibube oyi na-ada. Ibube oyi na-ada. When there is thunder strike, some people say obatuntum. Obatuntum is car, but the way it sounds, egbe. When there is thunder, I say egbe. Thunder is egbe. You know, it sounds like gone. Tu. Push. It's like gone. Egbe. Egbe is gone in Igbo language. Egbe. So when the thunder strikes, it's egbe. Sky is igwe. Do you understand? So egbe igwe na-ada. When you say egbe igwe is thunder. Thunder is egbe igwe. Then when the thunder is striking, it's egbe igwe na-ada. There's something you hear like this, it's like AK-47. When I was growing up, I hated rain that comes with thunder and lightning. I don't know what I feel at that moment, whether the world is coming to an end. Whenever it's raining, I get to that point that it will thunder and strike and lightning. I just run to my mom's room. I just stay beside her. Or when it's night already, no, when this thunder strikes or anything, sometimes lightning comes into the room plus the thunder. I just go and sleep at her back and bend my head under her body. Do you understand? I hated this thunder. I hated this thunder lightning striking. So it's Igbo Nada. So the name sounds like it. You know, the heaviness of thunder when you hear it. That's how the Igbo name sounds. Igbo Nada. Igbo Nada. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please, if you've not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. If you have any video suggestions that you want me to, of course, bring to your doorstep, please do not hesitate to, put down in the comment section. Hope you've enjoyed my video so far. This is what I love doing. Yes, it's the performance rating it's my consistency rating the results. Hell to know, but I enjoy what I'm doing. So that's where my consistency and encouragement come from. Hope you subscribe as well. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day.